Southside. This cocktail is based with gin, simple syrup, lime juice and mint leaves. So again, to get started, make sure you take your cocktail glass, chill it for a while, keeping it aside. Again, take your shaker, fill it with ice. Add 50 ml of gin. $50 ml of simple syrup. $20 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. And make sure you add mint leaves in this. So you directly take the mint leaves one by one, take 8 to 6 mint leaves. Take your shaker and give it a nice vigorous shake. There you go. Take your strainer, throw this ice away. For this you need to double strain because of the mint is directly in the shaker. To garnish your drink, use a mint leaf or lime peel. So I'll be using a mint leaf. There you go. Cheers. That's your Southside. Enjoy. Wow, it's so minty. You got to try this. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And make sure you drop me a comment below if you want to know anything special or if you want me to do anything special. And that's it for now. Cheers.